Want to make LibreOffice look and work the way you prefer? LibreOffice includes a range of customization options for its interface, toolbars, menus, appearance, and application settings. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize LibreOffice in 2026. So let's get started. First, open LibreOffice and select Tools, then Options. This is where you'll find many of the settings used to customize the application. The available options can vary depending on which LibreOffice application you're using. Next, explore the appearance and personalization settings. Depending on your version, you may be able to adjust the interface theme, icon style, colors, and other visual preferences. Choosing an interface style that feels comfortable can make LibreOffice easier to use. Now customize the toolbars to keep your most used commands within easy reach. Right-click a toolbar or use the customization options to add, remove, or rearrange commands. Placing your favorite tools where you use them most can save a lot of time. LibreOffice also lets you customize menus and keyboard shortcuts. Open the customization settings and choose the commands or shortcuts you want to modify. Take a moment to choose shortcuts that are easy to remember and don't conflict with commands you already use. Review each setting before changing it, especially options that affect how documents are saved or opened. So your LibreOffice workspace is now customized to better match your workflow. And that's how to customize LibreOffice. You can personalize the appearance, rearrange toolbars, modify menus and shortcuts, and adjust important application preferences. Taking a few minutes to customize the interface can make everyday work much faster and more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.